kids! Today, we are drawing a boy taking a bubble bath with a puppy. Let's draw together. First, we draw a big bathtub with 4 legs. Now we add lots of bubbly foam on top of the bathtub. We are drawing a happy kid sitting inside. Big smile and curly hair. Full of bubbles. Did you know? Bathing keeps our body clean and healthy. We wash every day to remove dirt and feel fresh. So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Now, we draw a cute puppy. Puppies also love bath time. It makes their fur soft and shiny. Wow, so many bubbles. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look, Puppy is enjoying. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. Now the shower is coming down. Splash, splash. We are drawing a little rubber duck. Quack, quack. A sponge and flip-flops. Ready for bath fun. You are an awesome artist. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Now the toilet on the left. Clean and white. artists! Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!